there are a lot. I intend to strengthen the labor arbiter system. We intend to put up an academy similar to the SILJA of the Supreme Court. I was chairman of the Senate Committee on Justice. We strengthened the SILJA. We have a prejudicature program for aspiring judges. So we have to do that likewise for those aspiring to be part of the labor justice system. Number two, I intend to have a similar institution like the PAO, the Public Attorney's Office, might call it the Labor Attorney's Office, to provide legal support to our indigent workers, especially those without lawyers, confronted by big companies, among others, and a lot of other things top of my mind. But let's see how it will evolve. And to support the gig economy workers, we're now referring to the motorcycle riders delivering your food even during a thunderstorm, midnight, signal number 3, etc., etc.
Secretary, a few days into your new position, may nakikita na po ba kayong challenges or issues that need the most urgent attention?
Well, the marching order is to really uphold the dignity of the working man. So it encompasses a lot of things. So ang dami pong challenges. Second day ko pa lang ngayon, holiday pa.
Correct.
Ang
pinakamalaki, Secretary, yung challenge ng crisis sa Middle East, hirap na ang minimum wage earner na...
Correct.
Na,
but there are a lot of things beyond my control. So within the ambit of my powers, I'm now referring to the Labor Code of the Philippines and other special laws. Doon lang po ako iikot kasi I'm no longer a legislator. Kung ano po yung dapat na batas na ipatupad, doon po tayo sa dapat na ipatupad sangayon sa saligang batas. Promoting industrial peace in the end.
And siguro, Secretary, walk us through this, this change of mindset, yung inyong transition from becoming from a lawmaker now to a law enforcer again. We know you did great as an MMDA chief, and now you will be enforcing the law again instead of being a legislator. So, kamusta po yung mindset nyo ngayon?
Medyo, nagsisisi nga ako bakit na ako yung presiding officer nung na-approve yung Department of Migrant Workers. A big chunk of the functions of DOLE were transferred to the Department of Migrant Workers. So sabi ko, nawala pala tayo ng functions. But, joke lang po yun. So, galing naman po ako sa executive. I was city mayor. Long time ago, I left Tagaytay in a better place. Ganon din siguro sa MMDA. So, ganon din yung plano ko sa DOLE, lead DOLE in a good shape in terms of labor enforcement, uplifting the dignity of the common one without disrupting the flow of capital. It's a dynamic, it's a balance that hopefully we can achieve.
Sec, question. Kailan po kayo formally na inimbitahan na maging DOLE secretary? And did you expect it at all?
Yun?
Kailan ka po formally...
Okay, go
ahead.
Siguro pag hindi tayo naka-live, I will answer that pag hindi.
Okay,
Bakit? Meron bang
So
privilege
I intend to perform as I did during my MMDA days. So bukas maaga na uli ako sa opisina kahit walang, ewan ko, nagawa na siguro yung aircon kasi kahapon electric fan lang kami. So bukas maaga na po ako.